Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. As requested, this is how I make my simple and easy gizzard stew. Let's get cooking. So to make this, I start by adding some palm oil in a pot or in a pan. Allow it to heat a little bit like so. Then next I go in with some diced onion. So I'm gonna fry this onion for about 1 minute or 2. Then next I'm gonna go in with some blend of ginger, garlic, turmeric and lemon paste. About 2 teaspoons of that. Then I'm gonna fry it for 1 minute. Then next I'm going to season it. Start by adding some dried thyme. Add some curry powder. Then I'm going to fry it a little bit for about a minute or so. Then next I'm going to be adding some crayfish, about a tablespoon of ground crayfish. Then fry this for about 1 minute to release its aroma. Oh my god, you need to smell the aroma in my kitchen right now. After that, I'm gonna go in with some roughly blended tomatoes. So what I have here is fresh tomatoes, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and habanero pepper and onion. Just blend it roughly, do not over blend it like smoothly. So I'm going to fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to cover it with the splatter protector so that it can cook, but remember to stir it every 5 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, I'm going to go in with my cooked gizzard. So what I'm using here is turkey gizzard, already cooked and diced it in a bite size. Then next I go in with stock, the stock I got from cooking the gizzard. So if you want it, if you want your stew to be more watery, you can add more water at this stage. But I want mine to be thick. This consistency is enough for me. So I'm gonna fry this for about 10 minutes or so. Then next, season it with seasoning cube. I am using chicken seasoning cube here. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'm gonna stir it and allow it to fry for about 5 more minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I'm tested for salt and I added half teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt. Then give it a stir. Cook it for about few seconds and our stew is ready. Yes, it's ready. Very easy, quick to make and simple to make. So next I'm going to go in with garnishing. So I garnish it with some green onions and some fresh parsley leaves. Yeah, it's optional, you don't have to do that if you don't like it. So give it a stir and our stew is ready. You can serve this stew with anything you like. You can serve it with rice, you can eat it with boiled yam, roasted plantain, boiled plantain, even white beans, anything you like. But in this case, I am going to serve mine with some boiled ripe plantain. That's what my kids love. Ripe boiled plantain. So packaging this for lunch, for my lunch, yeah. At work. So this is how I serve it. Enjoy. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.